Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're gonna jump right into the video. I'm gonna be showing you how I bleach the knots on my closure. I'm using the blue light bleach, a 30 developer. I also have a brush and a mixing bowl. The closure that I'm gonna be using is from Eunice Hair. It's the 4x4 closure, and this hair is Peruvian body wave. I got the inches 16, 18, and 20, so I'm just showing you what it looks like. I don't know the exact measurements that I use for the bleach and developer. I kind of just eyeballed it, but you want to mix it into a thick paste, because if it's too thin or too watery, it's gonna seep through onto the hair and bleach the hair as well, and that's not what we want. So here you're gonna see me add developer little by little, and that's because I want to make sure I don't make the mixture too watery, like I said, so always add a little by little. So I finally got the bleach mixture to the consistency that I want, so now I'm just going to gently apply it on top of the lace. You don't want to push it into the lace, you just want to gently put it on top. Also guys, I am not a professional, so if I'm doing something that may seem wrong or off to you, I'm sorry. This is just what I do. I'm learning how to do hair. I love doing it. I'm not good at it, but you know, I do my best. So yeah, don't judge me. Now I'm going to flip the closure over onto some aluminum foil, and I'm going to wrap it so that it can stay warm and process a little faster. And I let this sit for about 20 to 30 minutes. I kept checking on it every like 5 to 10 minutes.
Minutes later.
Okay, so this is the final result. It literally looks like I have hair growing out of my arm. I didn't go in with any purple shampoo to cancel off the brassiness because I ran out of it, but you definitely should do that so your closure is not looking orange, because you will be clockable, sis. So yeah, this is how I bleach the knots to my closure. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Tell me what you think about this video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Love you. Bye.